Hair testing can be a valuable resource for an employer's pre-employment and random drug testing program. Hair testing collections are observed, which makes them nearly impossible to adulterate. And with up to a 90-day detection window for drugs in the donor system, hair testing typically returns higher positivity rates than other specimen types. With our FDA-cleared screening test, each hair specimen is screened for marijuana, cocaine, PCP, amphetamines, and opiates. Negative results are typically reported within 24 hours of specimen receipt in our laboratory, while positive results are confirmed, reviewed, and typically reported within 48 to 72 hours. We take hair testing technology a step further, offering confirmation testing for expanded opiates, the fastest-growing segment of drug test positives. When the specimens arrive at the laboratory, each is assigned a unique identification code called an accession number. Once coded, hair specimens are grouped together and transported into the hair laboratory for testing. We recently added radio frequency identification, or RFID tags, to each of our new bright yellow hair collection envelopes. Correspondingly, RFID scanners have been placed at all refuse exits in the lab. This protocol is part of our commitment to Six Sigma quality initiatives designed to continue our record of excellence by tracking each specimen throughout the entire process. Inside the hair laboratory, our highly trained technologists remove the hair specimens from the collection envelopes. We then verify that each specimen has a sufficient quantity for testing, and then cut the specimen into smaller pieces. Next, we place these cut hair pieces into bar-coded tubes. Once in the tubes, the specimen is extensively washed to remove any external contaminants. Once the wash procedure is complete, a solution is added to each specimen and the mixture is allowed to rest. After the exact incubation time, a technician transfers the solution into a secondary tube and begins the testing process, in which reagents are added to the individual wells to determine the presumptive presence of drugs and/or drug metabolites in the hair specimen. If the initial screen is non-negative, one of our technicians returns to the original specimen envelope in order to obtain a new specimen for confirmatory testing. After extensively washing this new specimen, it is prepared for analysis using either gas chromatography mass spectrometry, GCMS, or GC-MSMS techniques. Confirmation testing results are then reviewed by a certifying scientist and verified in the laboratory information system. At this point, results are reported either to the client or to the appropriate medical review officer, or MRO, for further review.